Hey, I'm John Cristani. I've earned tens of thousands of dollars with Amazon and millions of dollars online. And I'm going to be showing you 14 ways that Amazon will pay you, that they'll be sending you checks. And then I'm going to go over the 3 easiest ways for beginners to earn money from Amazon and have Amazon pay you. And I'll go over the number 1 opportunity there is to make money with Amazon and exactly how you get started. So let's get right into the content. So first of all, we have a number of ways to make money with Amazon. It's really fantastic. They have a whole section where they show you all the ways you can make money if you go to the bottom of the website. But the first and the most obvious way is selling products on Amazon. Now, if you're a complete beginner, this might be a little hard because first off, you're going to need inventory. And to get inventory, you're going to need to spend, to really see success with this model, you're going to have to try out about 5 products and you're going to have to pay for your inventory in advance. So you're going to need to fork over about $10,000 in inventory to have a proper supply in Amazon for any given product and for your products to actually be sold. The cost to getting into really being an Amazon seller, I have many friends who have sold millions of dollars on Amazon, but none of them started out with nothing. They all started out with some money. So if you're a complete beginner, this is probably not for you. And the seller marketplace is getting extremely saturated right now. Amazon is actively working to reduce the number of sellers. And also the United States is in a trade war with China. I call it a shadow war. I don't see this being a good route to go. Now, the next one is wholesale. And wholesaling requires even more money because you are supplying other sellers who supply Amazon. This is bigger risk, more money, just let's forget about it for now. One interesting opportunity is merch, selling t-shirts through Amazon's platform. Now, if you already have an audience of folks that follow you, maybe on a social platform such as Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, you could easily sell a lot of merch to them. You create some cool t-shirts, create some cool logos, name your audience. But I'm assuming you don't have an audience of rabid fans that are looking to buy your merch. So, because you're just a beginner, so let's forget that. My other assumption is since you probably don't have a lot of content as a beginner, Prime just isn't going to work out. I'm not even on Amazon Prime. I don't know how that works. Now, next you have Handmade. Now, Amazon will pay you to sell your handmade goods. Now, this is another marketplace which is sort of saturated, but it also relies on you to really get your products out there and get people buying them. So you're going to need to have some audience base to really make this work, as well as having a skill to hand make goods yourself. So I can't work with my hands. I'm assuming if you're a beginner, if you're watching this, you don't have amazing craft that you're gonna sell on Handmade. Apps requires coding and technical experience, and then you have to market them yourself. Kindle, I'm assuming, unless you have a book or an ebook that you'd like to put out there, this is not really the best way. And even if you were looking to create an informational course or training, Amazon wouldn't be the place to sell it and make serious money with all the fees they take. So that leaves us with 3 income opportunities for beginners. The first one is called Amazon Flex. And Amazon Flex is when you're driving vans for Amazon's delivery services. Billions, trillions of people around the world every day are buying Amazon products. Their Flex program is how they get places. And you can get paid $18 to $25 an hour to drive for Amazon. You basically work for yourself, you show up at the facility, get in, and you just follow the app and do what it says to make money. Now, Flex, if I was working for $18 to $25 an hour, you're not going to create passive income. And everything we're about on this channel right here is creating passive income so that you wake up each morning and the amount of money you need to live, you've already earned it in product sales and commissions. And that's how I operate with my life, and that's how my students operate with their lives. I don't want to work a job, but it is a great opportunity for beginners. All you need is a driver's license. The other opportunity, which is probably pretty popular, is Twitch. Twitch is owned by Amazon, in case you didn't know, and you can earn money by streaming video games. Play video games and you earn money from people that are following you and watching you and sending you bits, which is Twitch's equivalent of like tips. So this is definitely a way to earn money, but there's a few requirements you need to know. You need to have a minimum of 500 total minutes broadcasted. Okay, that's like 12 hours or something like that. So you need to be playing a lot of video games before you start making money. You need a minimum of 7 different broadcast days, an average of 3 concurrent viewers or more, and you need at least 50 followers. If you are entertaining, if you are a good gamer, if you are playing a popular game other streamers are watching, and if you make friends and do collaborations and get raids in the community, you can certainly make a living off of Twitch, as many people are nowadays who just like playing video games. So this is a beginner-friendly platform. It will take time before you start earning money, but you can earn a lot of money with it. Now, the number one way I recommend to make money with Amazon, and that I've made money with Amazon, is through their affiliate program. Their affiliate program, Amazon will pay you 5% of whatever anybody buys on Amazon if they click your link. And an example of this might be a Facebook page that goes over camping equipment, and maybe a friend shares with you a big list of camping equipment, or maybe on Graham Stephan's channel, you'll see he has a list of some of the equipment he uses to film his videos, because a lot of people watch Graham Stephan and think, man, I'd love to be a YouTuber too. This dude's making like $300,000 a month, right? What camera do I get? What stand do I get? What audio devices do I get? Folks will go into his description and buy every single product that he recommends for his film setup. And Graham will make 5% of $2,000 or whatever that person spends to create their, YouTube video camera setup. I do this with Amazon, and I recommend, basically I monetize anything I talk about. When I recommend a book, when I talk about products to my subscribers or to my students in my various training programs, anything that involves Amazon, anything that people can be purchased on Amazon, I'm throwing in my affiliate link. People ask me what books I read in my training programs. I give them a big list, and every one of those links, baby, is an affiliate link. So I'm gonna earn a nice 5% commission on a $10 book, right? 50 cents. So it's fantastic, and you make extra money doing it. That being said, the main way I make my $500,000 a month in my business, which is what we make and which is what we've been making for a while now, I work with big ticket affiliate programs, ultra high ticket affiliate programs. And you can join my affiliate program if you want, which will pay out $2,000 to $4,000 commissions for one sale. One click on your link can potentially be $2,000 to $4,000. And that's because you're working with my entire organization and my coaching staff and all that stuff. And we are helping folks learn how to start an online business. But it's one-on-one coaching, involves me, and you earn a commission for recommending folks into our online entrepreneurship training program. Another great affiliate program that you can earn a lot of money with is Clickbank. And instead of paying a 5% commission, they pay 50% commission. There's a lot of options, and if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing or exactly how to do Amazon affiliate marketing step by step, I encourage you to watch some of the other videos on my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button, of course, right? Like the video if you're enjoying the content. The way I've recommended folks to start with Amazon's affiliate program is start by recommending something small to your friends. Recommend something that isn't salesy, like a book. I taught this method a few years ago and it kind of went viral. I've taught tens of thousands of people to earn their first commissions online by simply joining Amazon's affiliate program, getting a link to a book that had a personal impact on their life, a book, an audio CD, or a movie. We've all been influenced by a book, a song, or a movie, haven't we here? And I'd love to actually hear in the comments, what is a movie, a book, or a CD that's impacted your life in your life direction in a material way, in a big way? And what I tell folks is go to Facebook, go to whatever social network you use, and recommend this book to people. But don't just recommend it. Tell a story about it first. And there's another video you can watch on my channel which goes over the specific story format, and I show you step by step on the screen how it's done. But tell a story about why a book impacted your life, and you'll be surprised that people will buy it if you recommend it, if you put out the title of the book and a link at the end. It's very easy to make money online. You just need to know how. I hope to help you out on this channel, learn the different tactics of how to do that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be aware of when I do my next live streams. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.